Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download embedded videos from any website. All right, let's begin. If you try to right-click an embedded video and select Save As, the format may not be MP4. To download it properly, press F12 to open the Inspect Elements tool, or right-click and select Inspect. Next, go to the Network tab and click the filter icon. Select Media and then play the video. If no files appear, refresh the page. As the video plays, new files will load in the Network tab. Simply scroll down to the target video and a new media file will appear in the Inspect menu. Once found, right-click it and select Open in a new tab. The video will open separately, allowing you to save it to your preferred location. Simply click on the three dots icon and download the video. So that's basically how you can download embedded videos from any website. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.